Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Sumaira Wasim is here with the topic Plants and Their Systems of Grade 7 from Essex Fort Road, Rawalpindi. All about plants. In this video, we will discuss about the plants, their different parts and functions as well as with diagrams. What are plants? Very basic questions. I think you all are familiar with plants. You have seen all around you. Plants are the living things. They are made up of cells. They need water, air, soil and sunlight to live. They cannot move from one place to place. This is a basic difference between animals and plants. But with their leaves move to catch the sun and their roots move to get the water. The response towards the sun is called the phototropism and the response of the roots towards the water is called the geotropism. I think these two terms you read in class 6. Their seeds can be carried by animals or blown by the wind, means seed dispersal. Parts of the plants. Look at the diagram. All the parts are visible over here. Root, stem, flower, fruits and leaves. Roots take in water and the food from the soil. The roots anchor plants to the soil. Stem transport water through the plant. The stem raises the height of the flowers and leaves are take then closer to the light. The stem is made up of little tubes. These are called xylem and phloem. Leaf. Now we will discuss in detail. A leaf is an organ of a vascular plant as defined in botanical terms and in particular in plant morphology. Morphology is the combination of two words. Morph means shape, structure and logy means study. Study of the shape of the leaf or any particular organ is called the morphology. Typically, a leaf is a thin flattened organ born above the ground and specialized for the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is also a combination of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to make up, but they have to make up food in the presence of light. But many types of the leaves are adapted in ways almost unrecognizable. In those terms, some are not flat, for example, many succulent leaves and conifers. Some are not above ground, such as bulb scales. Some are without major photosynthetic function. Consider, for example, cataphyls, spines, and cotyledons. Flower, the most attractive part of the plant. Flower is a part of the plant that makes the seed. A flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is the reproductive structure found in the flowering plants. Fruits, the most delicious part of the plant. Do you like? Yes, I like all the types of the fruits. Fruit is a part of the flowering plant and derives from the specific tissues of the flower, one or more ovaries and in some cases accessory tissues. The plant body consists of two basic parts, shoot system and root system. What is shoot system? Look at this. It includes organs such as leaves, buds, stems, flower, fruits and usually it develops above the ground. The function of the shoot system includes photosynthesis. Are you familiar with it? Reproduction, where flower includes storage, seeds, transport, xylem and phloem are responsible for it, and hormone production. Root system. It includes roots as well as the modified stem structures such as tubers and rhizomes, and usually it develops underground. The function of the root system includes anchorage, means it holds the plant, absorption of water and minerals from the soil, storage of food, extra food and minerals as well as transport of water and minerals, production of certain hormones. These are the function of the root system. Conclusion. Today we have learnt about plants, their parts, their systems, and we would study root system and stem system in detail in the next video. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask.